Pumpkin hummus. This one is perfect if you've got any leftover pumpkin puree and you're not quite sure what to do with it. It's creamy, earthy, and goes beautifully with crudités or even just some crackers. And if you need to know how to make your own pumpkin puree, I've linked the video in the description below. Now this one starts off pretty much like any other hummus recipe. You got chickpeas, tahini, garlic, cumin, and lemon juice. But we're adding 150 grams of that pumpkin puree for that amazing, gorgeous autumn flavour. All the ingredients are listed down below as well if you wanted to follow along. But everything goes straight into the food processor, except we're only going to use about half of the olive oil for now. Give it a good blend until it all starts to come together. Have you ever tried adding anything unusual to hummus before? Let me know in the comments. If it's a little bit thick, add the rest of the oil, and just a splash of that chickpea water. You've thrown that water away, haven't you? It's fine, regular water works here as well. Then don't forget to scrape down the sides of the jug and then blend again until it is super smooth. Once you're happy with the consistency, taste it and season. You almost definitely need a good pinch of salt and some pepper. Give it one final whiz and then transfer it to a container. Now, I'd recommend chilling for at least an hour before serving. That helps all the flavours come together amazingly. This is one of those recipes that it genuinely surprised you how good it tastes. Pumpkin hummus is not only seasonal, simple, but it's absolutely delicious. Now if you've enjoyed this video, check out my other pumpkin videos, I've linked them below, and don't forget to subscribe to see more content from me.